Welcome back to Zero Diabetes Zone. Are you ready to take control of your diabetes naturally? Today, we're sharing the top 10 superfoods that can help you beat diabetes and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Let's jump right in. Number 1, Chia Seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which help slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes, plus they're easy to add to your daily meals. Quick tip: mix them into your oatmeal or smoothies for a quick health boost. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics. It has a lower glycemic index than regular yogurt, making it a great choice for stabilizing blood sugar. Pro tip: choose unsweetened Greek yogurt and pair it with fresh fruit for a delicious snack. Number 3, flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in fiber and lignans, which help regulate blood sugar levels. They also contain healthy fats that support heart health. Serving suggestion: grind flax seeds and add them to your baked goods or morning cereal. Number 4, berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They satisfy your sweet tooth while helping control blood sugar. Fun fact: studies show that eating berries with high-carb meals can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Number 5, beans. Beans are full of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like magnesium. They have a low glycemic index and keep you feeling full longer. Snack idea: try adding black beans or chickpeas to soups or salads for an extra nutritional punch. Number 6, avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which improve insulin sensitivity and reduce cholesterol levels. Pro tip: use avocado slices as a topping for toast or salads for a creamy texture and added health benefits. Number 7, tomatoes. Tomatoes are low in carbs but high in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health, key for people with diabetes. Quick recipe: make a fresh tomato salsa to pair with your favorite meals. Number 8, quinoa. This gluten-free grain is high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Quinoa helps stabilize blood sugar levels while providing essential nutrients. Serving suggestion: replace white rice with quinoa for a healthier carb option. Number 9, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium and healthy fats that help regulate blood sugar levels. They're also great for snacking. Fun fact: a small handful of pumpkin seeds can lower post-meal blood sugar by up to 35%. Number 10, citrus fruits. Oranges and grapefruits. Citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C and fiber, which help control blood sugar levels. Always opt for whole fruits instead of juice to get the full benefits. Pro tip: grapefruit has the lowest glycemic index among citrus fruits, perfect for managing diabetes. And there you have it, 10 amazing superfoods to help you naturally beat diabetes. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your health. Which one of these superfoods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Zero Diabetes Zone for more tips on living your healthiest life.